Yeah, man, this car was locally owned and operated, so everything, all the service was done locally here.
I mean, I saw in Carfax it came from Canada.
I mean, that's still local. I mean, come on, North America, those are our northern friends. We literally just got this in, so you should probably buy it before someone else does. It's not going to be here long.
I was on Car Gurus before I came in and saw it's been here for 130 days.
You know what? You're right. I'm thinking of a different car. My bad. What do you say, man? You ready to wrap this up? You got any questions for me?
Yeah, did this vehicle ever have any accidents on it?
Absolutely not.
Okay, well, I saw on Carfax it said 2 frontal damages to it.
Oh, you know what? I thought you said, are there any axes in it? Yeah, my bad. Yeah, I misunderstood your question. Yeah, I think this might have had a little ding on it or something like that. Yep. This car's literally mint. Literally only one owner.
I mean, I saw on Carfax it said that it was like 6.
Oh, well, it was one household, and it was a big family, and they kind of kept switching ownership, husband, wife, daughter, but one family, it was living in the same household, parked in the same garage the whole time.
Okay, are you sure?
You think I'd lie to you? I'm only 3,000 miles and only 6 months old. This used car is a steal.
Why'd they trade it in so soon?
You know what? They just wanted something a little bit bigger.
So there was like no issues with it at all?
Absolutely not. They actually hated to see it go. We had to pry it off them.
Oh, well, I saw online that it was in the shop 30 times within like a 6-month period.
No. I mean, you don't believe everything you read online, do you?
I mean, I guess not.
Yeah, come on. You can trust me. You're going to believe me over the internet, right? That's what I thought. Come on. Let's take a look at it.